Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing an eye makeup look, this beautiful cotton candy eye makeup look with these beautiful lashes, and we're only concentrating on the eyes today, so everything is gonna be listed down below as well. But before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So I was like, ooh, it's time to do the eyeshadow. I just spent so much time doing my skin. I was like, I want it to be flawless and cute and like super blurred out, so that's what it looks like. And I was thinking of going into colors like red and blues from this palette from Norvina, because I was like, I haven't gone into these colors in a while. I already primed my eyes, I already did my face like I told you, so we're just gonna jump right into the eye makeup look and do only the eyes for today. So I'm gonna start with the shade B3, which is that beautiful pink here, and I'm gonna just put that to sketch out the look that I want, because I don't want to go too deep red like right away, because if I make a mistake, it is gone, it is done, and we can't do anything else. Fluffy brush. So the MAC 224S. This is a very big blendy brush. Like putting this all around and contouring the eye socket with this one. I'm concentrating more on the outer part of my eye. And I think the shape that I want to do today is more like a rounded kind of shape. I've been doing a lot of kind of liner shapes, and I want to go back with more like a cute, rounded, something that's gonna go around and different than usual. You know, like, can we be different a bit sometimes? We don't have to be the same every single day. I think we got our shape. Already. That's cute. And then I bring it all the way in the inner corner, but just like the rest, I'm not taking any more pigment. I'm just gonna blend it in the windshield washer motion, like this, and then bring it like swiping the pigment to it from the outer corner to the inner corner. And then I'm packing a bit of the pink on the outer corner to really define the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm gonna take another fluffy brush. This one is always gonna be super precise, but then I'm gonna be using it to blend the red eyeshadow. We're gonna jump straight into that deep red one. This is C1, and I'm gonna concentrate it at first at the outer corner of the eye, and packing it into small little motions from the lash line to the crease, the eye socket. And then I open my eyes occasionally, like, to look if both of them are like kind of similar, because I do have two different eyes. So different. Both of them are so different. They like to. And then I'm just gonna blend carefully, circular motions, because when you do blend in circular motions, the pigment looks more blended than if you just do windshield washer motions. And then look at that, it is super well blended. I'm bringing it on circular motion, like in the crease, and then you're gonna see how well it just blends. I love this color. It's so cherry. It's cute. And then I'm packing a little bit of the pigment like here on the lid, so it looks really good. And the problem with my eyelids is that the skin is very, I would say, soft, and there's like, you can fold it. You know, I have too much skin, okay, on my eyes. And then what happens is that when I blend eyeshadow, sometimes it kind of wrinkles and it creates lines on my eyeshadow, so I have to go back and like be precise with my application. Even though like I blend really carefully, there's always going to be small little lines sometimes. That is totally normal. I know that it's annoying, and we don't want that in our lives, but I have to deal with it. I was like, no shimmers, but like I definitely want to put some shimmers. But before we do that, I'm going to blend the outer corner with the light baby blue, which is B2 in the palette, with this dual fiber brush. This is the MAC 286S. And I'm just slightly depositing the pigment, and it's gonna turn to purple. And I'm literally putting such a tiny amount, and I'm depositing it. If you see, I'm starting it where the pink is, and then blending back and forth, and then some circular motions. It's almost like a, I would say, cotton candy vibe. And we bring it around at the outer corner as well. You can go back with the little kind of cherry color and then just blending it into the blue as well. And A2, which is that beautiful light reflective with a bunch of things. I'm gonna put it in the middle here and push the pigment on the side with the red. Okay, so that's cute. What do you guys think about that? It's really, really cute. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go with A1, which is that beautiful light kind of white color. Blend it with the other one. And I'm gonna add back the other one on top in the middle. Cotton Candy Fantasy. I feel like, okay, I'm gonna do the other eye real quickly and then we'll continue the under eye and everything because I want them, like, right now I feel like an alien. It started from this and it went to this. Like, you see the difference? It's not done because after that we're gonna put lashes and it's gonna look amazing with these on. It's just like now it's a bit crazy and we don't have a lip either, so we're gonna try that. Woo! Okay, the other eye is done. Right now it's cute. It is kind of like a beautiful cotton candy vibe. And then I'm gonna do, what am I gonna do? I was gonna go the lower lashes. Oh yeah, we should do the lower lashes before I do. Okay, so lower lashes, I'm gonna take this beautiful little brush and I'm gonna go with the pink. And then go on under. I'm starting with the pink because I don't know how deep I want to go under the eyes. I feel like I want to stay with pink to highlight the lower lashes, and then connecting it as if the red would become a little bit lighter and then go all the way around. So it's going to do a nice, cute contrast. And then I'll put a little bit of the blue right under after I do the other eye. Like that, and then I'm gonna take back a little bit of the red with the other brush and then connecting it here so there is that beautiful ombre effect. I know it looks kind of crazy right now. I'm like, ooh. Another fluffy brush with the blue, and I'm gonna connect the blue to the pink here, just so like it kind of flows with the rest. If not, it doesn't flow, and you have to make it flow, kind of. So that's the mineralized powder, and I'm taking it because that's the powder that I used on my skin, and I'm just gonna use it to blend the edges of the makeup look, so then there's like a nice blend to it. So that's what I do when I do my makeup, my eye makeup especially. I take back the setting powder that I used, and you just blend it into the sides, and it looks so much better than if you just left your makeup like that. Like, people are like, oh my god, your eye look is so beautiful. That's the trick, girl. Take your setting powder, whatever you're using on your face, and just blend it with your eyeshadow. It just brings it to such a beautiful level. You're gonna see. For the highlight, I'm gonna go with the Jaclyn Hill loose highlighter in extra because this one is so extra. Really, it is something else. So I'm gonna use the packer brush that I used earlier, dip it into it, and then I'm gonna go in the cap and then removing most of the product from it because this is so pigmented that it's gonna, I even go on my hand because I'm like, and then you want to be applying this super tight where the eyebrow is, and then I'm like blending it like left and right, and I bring it all the way. I like to put it all under the eyebrows because it's gonna lift it up, even though it's already lifted. Like, I don't need more lifting. And then now it doesn't look that crazy anymore because the highlight is there. You know, that was what was missing to the eye look. And then of course I'm going to put it in the inner corner and bring it under the lashes as well, and it's going to open up the eyes. You should definitely do that every time, even like if you're doing a like very natural makeup look, putting the highlight that way. Stop talking and just do it. So I'm putting it in the inner corner like that, and then I'm going to bring it under the lashes here. and then connecting it to the pink that we put under. And I'm not putting a lot, you know, like I'm just putting a tiny bit. So then the light can hit it and then open up the eye a little bit too. Voila! And I'm gonna take some mascara. This is the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. I'm putting this one just a little bit, you know, because I want to put these beautiful eyelashes. Like, these are just so fluffy. I do have to cut them because they're gonna be way too long, especially that like the band is coming through a little bit, so we're gonna have to cut it. But for now, I'm just putting not too much. I just want to, for the upper lashes, I want them to be a little bit more, I would say, black, so they blend well with the false lashes, because of the powders and everything, they kind of lighter than usual now. Cotton Candy Fantasy. Okay. The Duo Glue, always this one, because any other ones, honestly, they irritate me. And this one, for some reason, like, it stays very long, but it's so easy to remove. Like, it doesn't hurt. Like, even if you take your lash and you rip it off, it doesn't, like, hurt. Like, it's super easy to remove. But if there's strong winds, it just stays there. Whew, so much more comfortable. Oh my god, I removed so much too. You should have seen, like, I removed so much. I removed like all this, cut the other one the same length with the canvas that we put on, and I'm gonna put the lashes. And the thing is, if you have a hard time applying lashes, for example, just make sure to put one coat of glue, let it dry completely, or just a little bit so it's really tacky, and then add a little bit more glue on top of it. Then it's going to be easier to like mold, and it's going to be easier to apply. Sometimes when there's no glue whatsoever, it's a bit harder to apply, so that's a trick. Maybe I should do a video on lashes specifically, because my last video on lashes, it's fine, it's okay, but it's not the same knowledge that I have right now on lashes. You live and you learn every day. So all right, so this is the eye makeup with the lashes. They look so good, but before we do that, I'm gonna go finish off my lips off camera, and then I will be right back, because this video is only eyes, concentrated on the eyes. So that's it for today. All right, so I decided to put a beautiful kind of bluish red on my lips. I don't know if it's a mistake, but you know what I mean. Like, I had to put this on. I decided to put the Giorgio Armani Lip Power on my lips, and it is such a beautiful color. I love it. I feel like it's kind of bringing the look to another level. Like, it's so crazy. I don't know. Tell me down below what you think about this bubblegum little eye look with this deep red lip. I feel like I should have went with a berry lip. Maybe it would have been better, but I grabbed what was next to me to make it look cute. So anyways, if you like this eye makeup look and you liked how I showed it to you guys, if you want any other colors for next time, please comment down below. I would love to know what you want to see next. And also like the video, for the algorithm for the video. If you liked it, it would mean the world to me. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for 4 or 5 depending videos a week. All on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys.